So check with him if he has invested in these investment opportunities options. If not, suggest him good investment opportunity. The second scenario is Mr. John, who is an operation manager of ABC Private Limited, is an existing customer of your bank. He has been banking with us for the past 10 years and his family members are also having existing relationship. You have received the customer's contact details for cross-selling or upselling. So elaborate how will you take the call forward, keeping in mind this is the first time you are going to meet the customer. So what will you do? I told you two scenarios. One is the new customer. So here the second, he is an existing customer. He already has an account with you, right? So tell me, who can tell me like tomorrow you're going to give a call to this customer or you're going to meet him? Call. When you call, you take an appointment. That's how naturally things go. So when you're going to meet him, how will you prepare yourself? He already is with the bank for 10 years. What will you speak to him? Like if in the CRM you see this customer has various offers for a loan or a credit card and you see this is the preparation you will make. You see in the CRM that offers are there, credit cards, loans, and you have to go and check in his account also whether there is any payment going for a credit card or is there any EMIs going, right? And then if he already has a credit card, again no use. Maybe you can sell a higher version of the credit card, no problem with that, right? So we will have to check and then sell the product, like whatever offers you had seen, you can present that product. You cannot sell all the products at a single time. So zero in one point, either it's a credit card or a loan which you are going to speak to him. See, offers you can choose, that is good option. Then you can go through the account statement of the customer, right? If there is no EMIs going, you can speak to him on loan. You see that the customer's average balances are good, but you don't see any FD or RD in his account. No mutual fund investment going from your account. Doesn't mean that the customer doesn't have it all, but he doesn't have through you, through your bank. So check with him if he has invested in these investment opportunities options. If not, suggest him good investment opportunities. So that way you can proceed. He is an excel. So cross-selling or upselling. Sir, I see you are holding an account and I see you have a debit card. We have good debit cards which have various additional features. Like sir, if you are a person who is traveling often, if you book tickets through our card, you will get various cashback offers, launch access, right? All those points you can mention so that you will come to know. Check on the customer's transactions and then go and present a product accordingly. Okay, always keep these things in mind.